Good morning, dear children. In last class, we started a lesson quadrilaterals and we learned what is curves and types of curves, polygons and types of polygons. And in today's class, first we'll understand what is diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two consecutive vertices of a polygon. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. See, in this figure you can identify in the first figure vertices A, vertices B, vertices C, vertices D and vertices E. See, connecting two vertices is called non-consecutive vertices is called diagonal. Connecting two non-consecutive vertices is called diagonal. In the first figure, you can identify AC is the diagonal which connects vertices A and vertices C. So AC is the diagonal. And in the second figure, you can identify vertices A, vertices C, vertices D and vertices B. Vertices A is joined to vertices D. AD is the diagonal and BC is the diagonal. Then next we'll understand what is types of polygons. Types of polygons. In that, first one is convex polygon. Convex polygon. All interior angles are less than 180 degree. All interior angles less than 180 degree. What is 180 degree? It is a straight angle. It is a straight angle. In this polygons, all the angles must be less than 180 degree, or we can say polygons that are convex have no portion of their diagonals in their exteriors. Polygons that are convex have no portions of their diagonals in their exteriors. Example, you can see in two figures. For example of convex polygons, in both the figures the angle is less than 90 degree. Second one is concave polygons. Concave polygons. In the concave you can see a word cave. Cave like shape. Cave like shape. In a concave polygon, at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree. At least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree, or we can say cave like shape in the polygon, which are concave polygons. We can see cave like shapes. So then we can identify that is a concave polygons, or we can say interior angles greater than 180 degree, or we can say polygons that are concave have portion of their diagonals in their exterior. Polygons that are concave have portions of their diagonals in their exterior. Now let's discuss about various categories of polygons. Polygon can also be regular or irregular polygons. Polygon can also be regular or irregular polygons. In that, first one is regular polygons. In a regular polygons have both equal sides and equal angles, or we can say all sides and all angles are equal. All sides and all angles are equal. We can say equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, heptagon, regular nonagon and decagon, all regular octagon. In this figures, all the sides and all the angles are equal. So these are example for regular polygons. The next one is polygons that are not regular, or we can say irregular polygons. Polygons that are not regular, or we can say irregular polygons. In this, all sides and all angles are not equal. All sides and all angles are not equal other than equilateral triangle. For example, other than equilateral triangle, rectangle, these are examples for irregular polygon. See, rectangle or other than equilateral triangle. We cannot say all the triangles are regular polygon. Some only equilateral triangle is a regular polygon, but other triangles are irregular polygons. So you can observe three figures. These are example for irregular polygon. In today's class we learned about diagonals and types of polygons, convex polygon and concave polygons, and categories of polygon. The first one is regular polygon and irregular polygon. Thank you, dear children.